Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're short on space but big on plant dreams, today's episode is for you. We are diving into the world of vertical wooden garden planters, a smart way to grow more in less space while turning any wall, fence, or balcony into a living piece of art. Whether you want to grow herbs for cooking, colorful flowers, or even small vegetables, these vertical plant ideas will inspire your next DIY project. Let's start with the benefits. Space saving. Perfect for balconies, patios, or small backyards. Visual impact. Vertical planters turn plain walls into lush green backdrops. Easy maintenance. Plants are at eye level. No bending required. Better airflow. Vertical arrangements reduce soil-borne pests and improve plant health. Wood is the ideal material for this. It is natural, easy to work with, and pairs beautifully with greenery. Here are some timeless designs to get started. Number 1. Tiered shelf planter. Stack wooden shelves like a ladder and place pots on each level. Great for herbs or succulents. Number 2. Pocket plant awards. Build a wooden frame with horizontal slats to hold fabric pockets or small wooden boxes. Number 3. Hanging box system. Suspend wooden plant boxes from a vertical frame using sturdy ropes or chains for a dynamic look. Number 4. Stacked crate garden. Reclaim old fruit crates and stack them diagonally to create pockets of soil for cascading plants. These designs are simple, adaptable, and easy to scale up or down. For a contemporary vibe, geometric grid planter. Use square or hexagonal wooden frames arranged in a honeycomb pattern. Floating plant panels. Mount slim wooden boxes directly into a wall with hidden brackets for a sleek floating effect. Slatted screen planter. Build a vertical privacy screen with integrated planter ledges for a 2-in-1 garden and room divider. Stair-step triangle. Arrange shelves in a triangular layout for an eye-catching architectural statement. Minimalist designs are perfect for modern apartments or small urban patios. Turn your planter into a functional food source. Herb bar. Narrow wooden boxes spaced evenly on a fence. Ideal for basil, thyme, and mint. Salad green tower. Deeper boxes to grow lettuce, spinach, and arugula in a compact footprint. Strawberry pyramid. A vertical pyramid with angled shelves for cascading strawberry plants. Tomato trellis combo. Pair vertical planters with built-in trellis support for cherry tomatoes or climbing beans. Imagine stepping outside and harvesting dinner from a living bowl. Sustainability meets creativity. Pallet planter wall. Repurpose a wooden pallet by adding landscape fabric behind each slat to hold soil. Wine box columns. Stack old wine crates vertically for rustic yet chic garden tower. Fence panel flip. Attach old fence panels to a sturdy frame and add planter boxes for a reclaimed look. Scrap wood mosaic planter. Mix different wood tones and shapes for an artistic patchwork design. These projects are budget friendly and great for reducing waste. Make your planter wall a true design feature. Use contrasting stains to highlight the natural grain. Paint a strip of chalkboard paint for easy plant labeling. Add LED strips or solar lights to highlight plants at night. Integrate hooks for hanging tools, lanterns, or wind chimes. A few details can turn a simple planter into an outdoor centerpiece. Keep these tips in mind. Use weather-resistant wood. Seal and protect. Ensure drainage. Consider weight. Install a drip irrigation system or self-watering liners for low maintenance and care. Proper preparation ensures your vertical garden thrives season after season. And there you have it, creative vertical wooden garden plant ideas for balconies, patios, fences, and backyard walls. Remember, when you go vertical, you don't just save space, you create a living work of art that brings life, color, and fresh flavor to any corner of your home. So until next time, happy decorating.